Welcome to Beautyistic, where we're all about finding solutions that fit your lifestyle, whether you're a busy professional or someone always on the go. Today, we're taking a look at a product that promises to elevate your dental care routine with ease and convenience: the Waterpik Cordless Slide Professional Water Flosser and the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser. If you've ever struggled with flossing or felt frustrated by bulky, traditional dental tools, this review might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a fresh review or beauty tip. Now, let's get into it. The Waterpik Cordless Slide Professional Water Flosser is a portable, compact solution for your dental care needs, designed to make flossing more accessible and effective, whether you're at home or traveling. It features a collapsible design for easy storage, which makes it great for tight spaces or if you're someone who's always on the move. With a long-lasting, rechargeable lithium-ion battery, you get up to 4 weeks of use from a single charge. The 4 tips and 3 pressure settings, ranging from 50 to 80 psi, give you customizable control over your flossing experience, while the ultra-quiet operation ensures it's gentle yet powerful. It also comes with a 6-aughts removable reservoir that's top-rack dishwasher safe, so cleaning is a breeze. Plus, it's shower safe, adding even more flexibility. Then we have the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flosser, which offers a similar portable design but with a few enhancements. It also features quiet operation, but with the added benefit of a magnetic charger and an LED indicator to let you know when it's time to recharge. The Cordless Advanced is great for travel too, as it's globally voltage compatible and comes with a microfiber travel bag, a tip storage case, and a water plug. I've been using both these water flossers for a few weeks now, and let me tell you, the convenience factor is a major win. First off, I'm a fan of how easy they are to handle. The cordless slide has that collapsible feature, which I found super handy for storing in my bathroom drawer when I'm not using it. As for the performance, I have to admit, both models delivered some serious results when it comes to cleaning my teeth and gums. I felt the pressure settings were just right, enough to give me a deep clean, but gentle enough not to irritate my gums. One thing I really appreciate about these flossers is the battery life. The cordless slide lasted me about a month on one charge, which is super convenient, especially if you're someone who travels often or just doesn't want to worry about constantly charging their device. The Cordless Advanced also had solid battery life, and the magnetic charging feature was a pleasant surprise. It just clicks into place with no hassle. Now, I'll be honest, there were a few small things I noticed during my testing. For one, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced model takes about 4 hours to fully charge, so if you're in a rush, that could be a slight inconvenience. But once it's charged, you're good to go for weeks, so it's a fair trade-off. Additionally, the reservoir on both models could have been a little larger for people who prefer a longer flossing time without having to refill. But this is more of a minor issue if you're doing a quick once-over. Pros: compact and portable, making it perfect for travel. Long-lasting battery life, especially with the cordless slide. Quiet operation, so it's not disruptive. Multiple pressure settings for a customizable experience. Easy to clean with dishwasher-safe parts. Travel-friendly with accessories like a microfiber bag and storage cases. Cons: the Cordless Advanced takes about 4 hours to charge fully. The reservoir is a bit small for some users. It may take a little practice to get used to the water pressure control, especially if you're new to water flossing. When it comes to value for money, both products are priced fairly, considering the quality and features you're getting. The cordless slide is perfect for anyone who wants a straightforward, easy-to-use water flosser without the bells and whistles. However, if you travel often or want the added convenience of magnetic charging, the Cordless Advanced might be more your style. The inclusion of the travel bag and extra accessories justifies the slightly higher price point for the Advanced model. As far as alternatives go, there are other portable water flossers on the market, but many of them fall short on battery life or ease of use. If you're on a tighter budget, you might want to check out the Panasonic Cordless Water Flosser, which is a bit more affordable though it doesn't have the same powerful performance as the Waterpik models. Now, let's talk build quality and longevity. Both the Cordless Slide and the Cordless Advanced are well constructed, lightweight, and durable. I didn't notice any issues with the design or materials, and both devices feel like they're built to last. Whether you're using it at home or on the go, these devices should hold up well. If you're like me and have a busy schedule, these water flossers make a huge difference. They save you time, and in my case, they also provided a noticeable improvement in my gum health. I've been using it alongside my regular routine, and my dentist noticed less plaque buildup on my last visit. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I've had a positive experience with Waterpik overall. Their website is easy to navigate, and they provide ample information on product warranties and returns, which adds to the overall reliability of the brand. So, what's the final verdict? Both the Waterpik Cordless Slide and the Waterpik Cordless Advanced Water Flossers are excellent options, depending on your personal needs. The Cordless Slide offers fantastic value with its compact design, long battery life, and solid performance. If you travel often or just want a bit more luxury in your water flossing routine, the Cordless Advanced is the way to go. Either way, you're getting a product that makes flossing easier, more effective, and way more convenient. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used these products, drop a comment below, let us know your thoughts. And remember, thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.